Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video if I'm making today, it is taking time and I'm not getting much of the views on this video. So maybe I'm thinking that instead of making this video daily, I may produce 3 to 4 videos in a week, which will be on the different topic so that our knowledge base can increase. Maybe you are not getting enough values out of these videos, and we can share the same content over our Instagram. So there you will be able to see in this same content on image form. So there you can just swipe it and you can analyze this file by yourself. So please let me know your view on this topic in the comment section. Apart from that, let's start the today's analysis file. See the global indices. Nifty and Bank Nifty gained greater than 1%, whereas Dow Jones lose. It didn't lose much, but still it has lost 0.16%, whereas Nasdaq gained 0.5%. So still you cannot say that there is a bearishness in global indices. Completely, there is a bullishness in the global indices and also in India as well. See the VIX. VIX has fallen again. If VIX falls, our support and resistance gap will reduce and our premium will not decay much. Since premium is already down, so how much it will decay? And this is always a good strategy to make up range bound strategies. See the Nifty and Bank Nifty movers. Yesterday also 40 stocks moved up in Nifty. Today also the same case happened, whereas 10 stock declined today. Bajaj Finance, Titan Companies, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Eicher Motors, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited gained greater than 3%. On the Bank Nifty front, the Federal Bank Limited gained greater than 3% today. If you see the broader market indices, most of the gaining is happened in Nifty Midcap 50 stocks, which is 2.42%, followed by Nifty Midcap 100 stocks. So today, most of the trading is happened in Nifty Midcap stocks. Let it be Nifty Midcap 50 or Nifty Midcap 100. So it may be possible that whatever money FIs and DIs are investing, it may be in this particular indices stocks. Very less investment has happened in Nifty Next 50 stocks today. Let's move to the sector wise analysis. Sector wise, if you see, today consumer services sector has performed very well and it has gained 5.91%. Well, it is continuously gaining, so I'm hoping that in future also it will be gaining only. After that, service sector has gained 3.67%, whereas pharma has lost negative 0.28%, which is the highest lose today, followed by 0.2% in telecom sector. Daily news. Bharti Airtel had a good news. Well, bank stocks that you have to keep in mind if you are in any business and you are doing NFT RTGs, then this news is for you. Bank stocks, you just read it out. HCL Technologies had a good news. Juari Agro had a little bit bad news because of this Tukte cyclone. Pinake Biotech, Adar Punawala has removed share from this company. Strides Pharma, it has a good news. Reliance Industries expanding again, so it had a good news. Hero Moto also had a good news. Bharat Forge had a good news. Infosys had a little bit bad news. Union Bank of India had a good news. Gland Pharma had a good news. Let's move to the most active stocks. The stocks which gained mostly are not from Nifty 50 stocks. TCI Express, KI Industries gained more than 10% today. And both of these stocks are not from Nifty 50. These are from service sectors and industrial and manufacturing unit. That's why that was the one of the reasons service sector outperformed today. Let's remove the filter from here and see where most trading is happening. Means most of the stock have been traded. Here, Punjab National Bank had most of the traded quantity. It is not amount wise, means most of the traded quantity may be buying and selling both. Punjab National Bank on day before yesterday was losing. Yesterday it was gaining again, and today again it has lose. It didn't lose much, but again it has lose. So again it is just doing sinusoidal wave. One day it is gaining, one day it is losing. And this financial services, whereas Tata Motors, Federal Bank, Yes Bank, and Bharat Heavy Electricals gained, and there most of the trading has happened, means traded quantity wise. So maybe the both selling and buying. But if you see the Tata Motors and Federal Bank, there greater than 3% change has happened. So most of the selling is happened, quantity trading is happened as a buying only. So these stocks may gain in future as well. Let's see the total traded quantity value wise. So if you see the value means how much money they have invested. Tata Steel and Tata Motors, people are putting more faith. They are investing more amount of money into these stocks. So it may be possible that these are going to give good results. That's why people are putting their money into the stocks. Whereas State Bank of India and Bharti Airtel lose today, and both of them, most of the value has been traded. So it may be possible that they have squared off their position, so they have removed their capital from the stocks. Let's see the total trades in lakhs. So most of the trades happened in Tata Motors, and it has gained 3.29%. So I'm assuming that it was buying in Tata Motors. Tata Motors nowadays are in the news. I'm hoping that it will go up only. Let's move next and see corporate events. Indian Oil, Tata Motors Limited, State Bank of India, JSW Steel, and Hindalco Industries are going to announce audited results and final dividend in upcoming days. Watch out for the news. If any good news break out, the stocks are going to perform good in the market, and that will affect the Nifty as well. Other stocks detail is also there that you can read it out and make your trade accordingly. Government events. These are the government events in upcoming days. Japan GDP is looking as a like heavy event in upcoming days. Otherwise, I don't see any major events in upcoming days. Nifty, Bank Nifty graph support and resistance. If you see weekly bullishness is there. Today also little bit bullishness was there. Here on the graph, more number of trades on particular positions has happened on put side, means people have sold put. Anyway, it was not like that people didn't sell the call, people sold the call also. So it clearly says that market was a range bound market. Otherwise, if it was a directional market, selling will be happening on one side only, call side or put side. But here selling is happening on both side. It is just matter of the quantity on one particular strike price. You see the put side, most of the people are selling the quantities on particular strike price. But on call side, people doesn't have a proper opinion, they are selling on different strike prices. In the volume sector, most of the volume has been traded on call side. So it may be possible that earlier made positions have been removed and they have shifted their positions on call side. That's why the call volume is more. See the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty had a clearly bullishness. Today still there was some square off from the call side. See this chart here completely, you can see people are making more and more positions on put side, so they are expecting that market will be going up, but still there is a catch, because on call side also people are not squaring the positions. It means they are also sure that Bank Nifty has gone enough high, now it will not go up. Today also same scenario has occurred. Nifty had a support of 14,700 and resistance of 15,500 weekly basis, whereas daily support was at 15,000 and resistance was at 15,600. Bank Nifty had a support of 32,000 and resistance of 34,000 weekly basis, and daily resistance and support, if you talk about Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty today's support was at 34,000 and resistance was at 35,500. We'll be drawing this support and resistance on our chart for Nifty, and then we'll be analyzing the data, analyzing the chart, and then we'll be discussing one strategy. Here if you see FIs and DIs, both of them have bought today. So I am thinking these were the only people who were buying in the market. Other people didn't involve much in the market, and that's how market has gone up but didn't move much. Whereas MF and equity and debt activities, nothing to discuss here. This is my profit and loss, which I share on my Telegram channel as well. So we have analyzed the file. Now the sentiment looks bullish, but the intensity of the bullishness is not much. So we are not expecting that market will be going much up. It will be staying there within some range. Let's draw the 14,700 and 15,400 today's support and resistance, 15,000 and 15,600 today's support and weekly support and resistance. Here, this is the range as per the chart in between Nifty is trading currently. So if it breaks this range, then one side movement may happen, but it will not go much up. So what I am expecting, that Nifty will not move any side much, because VIX itself is a low. If VIX is low, then speculation is less in the market, fear is less in the market, and also Nifty, if it will continue to be low, then definitely it will not move in one direction heavily. Let's see it on our chart what strategy we can implement. Well, 15,100 CE we can sell on call and put side. So that will be straddle. So we can implement this straddle in the market. It can give us maximum profit of 6.33% of our invested capital. But don't think like that you will be getting this profit, because market will be moving somewhere here and here. On that point, profit is not that much, but still you will be having a good profit and you will be getting a good range, 14,936 to 15,264. Straddle is only safe when VIX is low. So right now VIX is low, so this straddle is safe. That's it guys from my side. And if you are having any suggestions about this video, definitely you have to comment down and let me know what are your thoughts. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are finding this video helpful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel.